your business will likely fail if you don't have these 4 things. Number 1 is an irresistible offer. What are you selling? How does it solve a massive problem? How does it have a unique mechanism? How is it different from what they can find in the marketplace? And how much social proof do you have? And building this irresistible offer is gonna allow people to make very impulse decisions about your product or service. Number 2 is, do you have a landing page that converts ice cold traffic to warm, hungry buyers? What are you using to run traffic to organically and paid to get people to know about your offer? See social proof, FAQs, stories. What exactly are you using to convert people into leads or customers? Number 3 is, how do you efficiently spend money on advertising? Are you running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok? The list goes on. Make sure you prioritize one traffic source first, prove that concept, then move to others. And number 4 is, how are you making more money off your current customers? Are you upselling? Are you sending emails? Are you running SMS campaigns? Are you using a call center to call your current clients and upselling them services and having ascension programs? I don't care if you're in the low ticket or high ticket, there's a lot of money to be made by simply contacting your customers who are already loyal and trust you and just simply selling them more of the same or faster or better results of what they already bought. Make sure you guys follow and like this video for more business tips.